Belai kok tama kaham TIPRA-HAM raukne bangai kotor shep kaham TTAADC hafang tino auto loan roane bagai kaisa website launch ketal khlogui rojaka TIPRA-HAM portal hanai thangnai 10 July 2024 ni simino apply khaimanai rangai borok saklaimani mangpli pia dofani tv mangpli ni bisingtei toboka जे auto loan apply खायनि बांगै गोबां कुक हायाखैबा बाक्सा TIPRA-HAM आदं सं online form fill up खायनि बांगै confuse जे उंतंग उंगै दंनाय रगनि बागै दिनै असिनि दफान टीवी मांगैनि बिसिंतै बाहाय के form fill up खायनि नांनाय ते documents बाहाय रखे जमा रवानि नांनाय ते तमा document नां गलायसाखनो खायमानाय होनैनो जों असिनि challenge जों Nugui tong toboka mangpli ke nai tong di joy kare
I am going to demonstrate you how to log in to TIPRA-HAM.in and apply for a new auto loan. So once you visit the website, you can see there is a new application and there is a track application page. First you need to do is go to the new application. You can see the new application form. You need to fill the application form with all the correct details. First you need to fill the application name. Then you need to submit your Aadhaar number, which is a 12-digit Aadhaar number. Then you need to submit your ration card number or the ROR number. After that you need to submit the PAN number. After that you need to submit your 10-digit phone number. Then you need to select the gender. After that you need to select your current employment type. There are three options. One is unemployed, one is private employee, one is government employee. If you are a government employee, you are not eligible to apply for this loan. But you can apply for this loan if you are unemployed or if you are a private employee. Then here comes the permanent address section. You need to select your zone. Let me select this west zone. After that you need to select the sub-zone. If I am selecting Kumlum, then you need to input your village name. You need to input the police station. You need to input your post office name. After that you need to input the postal pin code. Then you need to select the VC from your subzone list. These are the VC marked under this particular Khubnum subzone. You need to select your VC. If I am selecting the first option, I need to input my phone number again. Then I need to write the full address, my permanent full address. Here comes the communication address. If the permanent address is different from the temporary or communication address, you need to fill the communication address. But if you are residing in the permanent address itself, all you need to do is just tick the box and your permanent address will be same as your communication address. Select the category ST. Select your qualification from the list given. Then you need to select your birth date. If you are selecting a birthday which is less than 21 years, you won't be eligible. Only people aged between 21 to 45 are eligible for this loan. So present annual income of the applicant, put your current annual income, any ongoing loan or completed loan or any defaulter. If yes, please provide details. If you have any ongoing loans, if you have recently completed your any existing loan, or if you have any defaulter loan, kindly input the details. If you are not providing correct details, then in that case your application might be rejected. Select if you have a electricity connection at your home, yes or no. I select yes. Enter your bank account number. Enter the beneficiary name. Beneficiary name, the account is your name. Input your own name. Which branch and the branch IFSC. Now you need to select your Aadhaar card photo. Sorry, you need to select your Aadhaar card first. Make sure you have your Aadhaar card here. You need to select your PAN card. Make sure you are uploading your PAN card in the PAN card section, Aadhaar card in the Aadhaar card section. Upload your ration card. Upload your age proof certificate. Here I am uploading some arbitrary file. You need to upload accordingly as per the information given here. You need to upload your bank passport, your caste certificate, education qualification certificate, your driving license. Once everything is correct, you need to click on proceed to pay. You will get a pop-up. Please click OK to proceed, or please click cancel to recheck the application. You can click cancel, recheck the application if all the details are correct. Once everything is correct, you can proceed. You can proceed to pay. It will ask you to click OK to proceed. Kindly proceed to pay the application fee. The application fee is 500. Demo system it's rupees 2 as of now. Once you pay, it will be 500 rupees. You click on submit. You can pay with any of the options: UPI card, debit card, credit card, net banking, wallet. The application I have just submitted, this is submitted and paid. You can click on view receipt and you can download this receipt to take a print.